Oppo HA-1 Headphone Amplifier Preview. Overview. What's in a name? That line from Shakespeare has interesting implications for Oppo's latest creation, the HA-1. Not a company to come up with flashy monikers for their wares. The HA simply denotes that this device is a headphone amplifier. Of course, that's much like boiling down my smartphone's functionality into the term cell phone. Yes. That's part of the package. But there's a lot more. In this case, for $1,199 you get a headphone amplifier, a stereo pre-amplifier, a high-end DAC, and a Bluetooth receiver in a pint-sized package. What would we have named it? Turbo Head Axilla. Has a nice ring to it. The particulars. So what does Turbo Head Axilla the HA-1 bring to the table? First and foremost, it is a headphone amplifier utilizing a discrete, fully balanced Class A topology. 6.35mm and 4-pin balanced outputs are provided. With an impedance range of 32 ohms, 600 ohms specified. Frequency response is rated 10 Hz to 200 kHz plus 0/-1 dB with both outputs. And 20 Hz to 20 kHz plus 0/-0.04 dB, which is practically perfect. Output into a 600 ohm load is rated at 800 mW and 200 mW into balanced and unbalanced outputs respectively. While that rises to 2000 mW and 500 mW into a 32 ohm load. Signal-to-noise ratio is rated at greater than 111 dB for both outputs. But the balanced output has superior channel separation, greater than 120 dB versus greater than 90 dB. Overall, the HA-1 looks like a very capable headphone amplifier. And should mate perfectly with Oppo's 32 ohm PM1 headphones. As well as most other headphones on the market. Of course, as mentioned, the HA-1 is much more than a headphone amplifier. Something a glance at the rear panel will confirm. In addition to balanced and unbalanced analog inputs and preamplifier outputs, the HA-1 offers coaxial, optical, and ICE/ABU digital inputs as well as an asynchronous USB input. Digital to analog conversion is provided courtesy of the ESS Sabre 32 reference DAC. Also seen on Oppo's BDP-105 Blu-ray player. As seen from our review of the BDP-105, the Sabre 32 chip truly does offer reference-grade quality. Technical highlights include a 135 dB dynamic range and THD plus N of -120 dB, and ensures that your digital sources sound their absolute best. What about connectivity for mobile devices, you ask? The HA-1's front panel boasts a USB input made specifically for Apple's devices. However, if you're not an Apple aficionado, you're not left out in the cold. The HA-1 also includes a Bluetooth receiver which utilizes the APS codec for optimal sound quality over wireless. As further evidence that Oppo designed the HA-1 for people in the 21st century. There's also a smartphone control app to control volume, source selection, etc. Pretty nifty in our books. Verdict. If you thought that $1,199 was a lot to ask for a simple headphone amplifier, you might be right. However, this Oppo is much more. The HA-1 is a true 21st century reference-grade stereo preamplifier in a compact chassis which also happens to boast a high-quality headphone amplifier. Viewed in that light, the asking price becomes a relative bargain. Add a laptop or tablet and a quality set of headphones like the aforementioned PM1s. And you've got a recipe for audio nirvana. Anybody need one of these bad boys for their setup? Make sure to let us know on the forums. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, this helped me to grow my channel. Also don't forget to click on the link in description, because that link may be the cheapest price for this product available in the market today.